Hey guys, I don't know if it's just me alone, but I think we're experiencing an earthquake right now. I was just sitting at my desk doing some editing, and I just hear the roof started shaking, the walls and the picture frames on the wall just moving. I really don't know what's going on, but trust me, I'm a little shocked. I'm under my desk. I don't think my desk is the right place to be under. But going up, I don't know. They said to just go under something, and I'm under my desk. I do hope that you guys are fine out there. I think I'm okay. I think the house is fine. I know I heard the roof. I need to go and do some checks, but I don't know. I really don't know what's happening. I am a little scared at the moment, to be honest, because it just came out of nowhere, and I guess this is part of climate change that they've been talking about. With Jamaica experiencing hurricane in June, we've never had those situations. I'm used to hurricane being in September and October, but we're having hurricanes in June. So I guess this is all part of the climate change that they're talking about, guys. I do hope that you're all good out there where this earthquake is concerned. Trust me, this felt like the one we had the other day. This really, it felt like 5 point something, but I am fine. I am fine. Even though I'm under my desk, I'm getting up now. I am getting up now. So again, I hope that you guys are fine. Yes. I am gonna go now and check and see what's going on in the house, and ensure that everything is fine. And please, guys, just keep safe out there. I know there are aftershocks that usually comes after an earthquake, so prepare yourselves for that. And just ensure that you're in a safe space. And don't do like me. You understand me? I did something a little silly a while ago. I went under a glass table in shock. I went under a glass table out of shock of feeling everything moving. So don't do like me, please. But that's what happens when your nerves get up there and you're not thinking straight. Again, I do hope that we're all fine out there. I love you guys. Stay safe. Let's hope this is the last one, okay? Because I really can't manage another one. Love you guys. Bye.